This plantain frittata combines two of my favourite things to eat in the world, plantain and eggs. Here's how to make it. So first of all, I am going to slice up my plantain. So here I've got a ripe plantain, which is sweeter. You want a slightly blackened plantain for it to be sweet. If you get a green one, an unripe one, then it's not going to be sweet. And I'm just going to chop this up so I have these little circles which are going to go on my frittata. So I take this away and you can either choose to deep fry it, bake it, air fry it. I've chosen to air fry mine. So I add a tiny bit of oil, a pinch of salt. I toss this all together and then I chuck it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes or so, flipping it halfway through. Now I'm going to start to chop up the contents that go inside my frittata. So I'm starting off with a large shallot and I'm just going to chop this down. I also add a medium tomato and again I'm just going to chop this up. Separately, I've got some other veg which I've just been keeping in the fridge. So here I have about half of a Romano pepper, maybe about a quarter of a bell pepper. You can use peppers in any colours. And then I'm also chopping up one chili pepper. Alternatively, you could use about half a Scotch bonnet depending on your spice tolerance level. I think in this case I had actually run out of Scotch bonnet. Now I've got 2 garlic cloves and I'm just going to dice these very finely. And then to get some meat in there as well, I'm going to chop up 2 chicken sausages. So now to start to get everything combined, I start off by cooking my chicken sausages, and once those are cooked I add my onion and my garlic and I saute these all together. After those have cooked down for a few minutes, I add all of my other vegetables. I season it with 1 seasoning cube. Here I've used 1 Maggi cube, and I just let this all combine and cook together. Separately, I'm going to start to prepare my eggs. So here I have whisked together 4 eggs. I actually ended up adding another egg after this, so it was 5 eggs in total. The more eggs you add, the thicker it's going to be. The thicker and the larger it is, of course, the more people that you're going to be serving. The contents that I've just sauteed, I now mix into this egg mixture. And this is what kind of differs a frittata from an omelette, where in an omelette, you're folding those contents into something already cooked, whereas here, you're cooking it low and slow all together. I've now taken out my plantain and I'm just laying this on top. And then you want to let it steam really on a low temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it has steamed and cooked all the way through, then you have your plantain frittata. You can chop it up like a pizza and enjoy it. This is a really great breakfast dish. It's a nice brunch dish. It's nice to have this in the fridge too, to just get a little bit of it as a snack if you're hungry. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.